Like I just reported, if you have not seen that video, please check it out. I reported of how Obasanjo's hotel in Abeokuta was raided, the same hotel on the grounds of Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library was raided by Efcc early Sunday morning, and Obasanjo is now threatening to take Efcc to court. Before we delve right into the details of today's news, if this is your first time here, you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? What are you doing on YouTube if you're not subscribed to Newsroom Nigeria? This should be your news plug, so stay tuned by clicking on the subscribe button below. Turn on the post notification bell. Also give this video a massive thumbs up. It's free of charge. That way YouTube is able to recommend this video to other YouTube viewers all around the world. Lastly, let's leave your thoughts and your opinions in the comment section below. The management of the Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library, OOPL, in Abeokuta has accused operatives of the EFCC and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, of invading its premises in the early hours of Sunday, August 10, 2025, in what it described as a Gestapo-like operation. In a statement issued on Sunday, made available to Politics Nigeria, the OOPL management alleged that at about 2 a.m., over 50 armed men, purportedly EFCC agents led by one Olakpade, stormed the complex, shooting into the air and threatening to kill people. The raid, they claimed, caused chaos and panic among guests and residents, leaving several people injured while trying to flee. According to the statement, this morning at about 2 a.m., the OOPL premises were invaded by a Gestapo-like gang of over 50 armed men, shooting guns, threatening to kill people, and purported to be from the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. The invasion led to one Olakpade caused serious panic and chaos, leading to serious injuries among participants trying to escape the shooting and near carnage that resulted and causing terror among residents on the site. On inquiry by phone, the Olakpade informed the managing director of the OOPL establishment, Mr. Vitalis Otese, that they were acting on intelligence about a private event in the amusement facility of a complex. They also informed management that the police have been duly informed of the operation. It should be noted that the event was a private event that had been widely attended by members of the public for days prior. It should also be noted that both the police officers stationed at the OOPL gate and the additional police sent from Kente Police Station, as requested by the organizers of the event and management, stated that they were not informed of any planned operation by the EFCC, and neither did they present any warrants. And when the armed men were accosted by OOPL security and assisting police officers, they simply resorted, "We are doing our job." Management wishes to state that this action by the EFCC is a clear case of invasion of private property, infringement of OOPL rights as corporate citizens, and indeed stark and blatant violation of the rights of the people who so gathered for the event. Management has commenced its investigation of the invasion and will take up the matter with the highest authority, including the EFCC, the police, and the Department of State Security, DSS. In the meantime, management demands an explanation of these imprudent accounts from the Commission and an apology from the EFCC authorities for the infringement of its rights. To all those who gathered and those who sustained serious injuries from the gangster-like induced chaos, failure for which the management will be compelled to seek redress and sanctions as appropriate. You all, let's have your total new opinions in the comment section below. It seemed like the former president Olusegun Obasanjo is not taking this lightly at all. And like I expressed in my former video, this is an embarrassment to him, because there is no how you're going to talk about the raid and you are not going to mention that the hotel belonged to Olusegun Obasanjo. His name is tied to it. There is no way you would not mention that as well. Before we go, my people, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. The first comment I have here is from Global Source. It says, when EFCC attack ordinary Nigerians businesses in this same manner, you people pay deaf ears to it, and now it happened to you. Now you see what other business owners felt when it happened to them. We should all stand up and condemn what is wrong. Don't just sit there and keep mute because it has not happened to you. Oluwalano Olubumi says, EFCC again. Ogao. Another comment says, is it a crime to raid the hotel if there is something wrong? It's not a crime, but, they should have a warrant. They should have warrants, They should have warrants, and things should also be done. There should also be other ways to do things. I don't believe that even if they are relying on an investigation or they are relying on, a source that has given them a tip of something horrible that is about to go down at the hotel, at least they shouldn't be shooting in the air, They shouldn't have caused that much chaos. Just go in and go directly to where you have business with, and deal with those people. Don't just create a chaotic environment, people running around. I can't even imagine how the situation could have been at the hotel this morning. So people are running around, people are falling, people are, with gunshot, people are in fear. They don't know what's happening, what's going on, what's happening. Even the criminals that you came to apprehend, you have scared them away. They will be running. Even if truly they have been tipped of something sinister that's about to go down at the hotel, even the people committing the crime, they would have gone by the time the EFCC got there. You want to go and apprehend somebody, you are now shooting in the air. Now, wow. Only in Nigeria. What we know is that at least if you want to go and apprehend somebody, you will not arouse their suspicion. You will not even let them know that you're coming until you're already there. Until you don't catch them already, they would not even know you're there. But in this situation, they were already shooting in the air. Now, wow. So which means, does it mean that everybody, we know that, okay, there must have been some Yahoo guys at the hotel at that particular time? Does it now mean that everybody lodging at the hotel are Yahoo guys? There are some people that just, brought their family to the hotel to have a nice time, maybe to just have a weekend out of their house. And those people now, you have scared them. You have given them trauma. There must have been children. What if it's a situation where children was also involved? There are children involved. There are children sleeping at the hotel when the EFCC got there. It's not just good enough. They should do things in orderly fashion. In orderly fashion. I'm telling you people this thing in case of next time. You all, let's have your thoughts and your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you very much for always listening and watching. And also, lastly, I think that, like I already expressed in a previous video I made, in order to not allow this to happen, it's better not to give your facility, your hotel, your property to Yahoo guys if you don't want to have this kind of embarrassment. That's just the only way not to have this kind of situation. So your name would not get dragged into this kind of ugly mess, and you don't have to start telling EFCC that you are going to take them to court. Like I said, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.